Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you wonderful technique, and this one technique will improve your speaking skill, because there are so many learners, they want to enhance their speaking skill, but they don't know how to work on it, because there are so many tips, tricks and methods, but they don't know how to use these methods in order to learn this language. So in today's video I'm going to share with you only one technique, and believe me, this one technique will improve your speaking skill. You can easily be speaking English in front of the public. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so the question is that, the topic is that, how to improve our English speaking skill. Okay, so yes, it's very important to learn English speaking skill, but there is confusion. There are so many tips, tricks and method, how to work on every methods, how to learn English speaking skill without any struggle. Okay, so just you need to think only one question in your mind. When you were child, how did you learn your native language? When you were child, how did you learn your native language? Because at that time you were not going any school, you were not going any institute to learn this language. You have no one with whom you can practice in your native language. So how did you learn your native language? You learned your native language by observing your parents, your mother, father, sister, brother, neighbor. Okay, so you just did the same thing, like you observed a lot. After that you started to copy them. Then in a broken language you try to spoke out. Okay, and yes, in this way you could speak in your native language, and you did so many mistakes at that time. Okay, but at that stage, at that time, you had not developed any kind of ego inside you. So if you were making mistakes at that time, so you looked like cute. Okay, you had not any type of ego at that time, so you were not feel any ashamed. But in today time, we have developed our own ego. If we generally think, if we will speak in English in front of the public, so people will laugh at my English, and if they laugh, so we feel demotivated, because we have developed our own ego. But there is a desire inside us how to learn English speaking skill. So yes, you need to just follow two things. That is very important, very, very important. One thing is that always keep that thing in your mind, that language is learned by imitation. This is the one truth thing that you have, just keep that in your mind. Okay, language is learned by imitation. Second thing is that don't think about any type of ego. If you are trying to learn, if you want to achieve any skill, so at that time don't develop any type of ego. If you have any ego, then please get rid of. Okay, so yes, you need to just follow two things. Now these are two rules. Now I'm going to share with you technique how to work on it. So yes, the technique name is imitation. Language is learned by imitation. To do the same thing that someone else is doing, that is called imitation. But in today's video, I'm not going to share with you the same imitation. I'm going to give you advanced imitation technique. Why? Because you are not a child. Okay, you are a person. Okay, but you need to just use the same technique like imitation, but in a advanced level. Okay, so for that, what you need to do, you need to just first listen any audio or video very carefully. Audio video should be only 1 minute, not more than. In initially time audio video should be only 1 minute, or if you are reading any book in English, then paragraph is only short, not more than. Okay, listen audio or video minimum 10 times. Read the para minimum 10 times, because repetition is very important. Listen till that it convert into your memory. Read the para till it becomes a part of your memory. Okay, now after that, you need to just speak out the same thing that you have listened, the same thing that you have read, but in your own words. So this is called imitation, but advanced level imitation. Okay, because in this imitation technique, first you need to just take some, you are consuming while listening or reading some content in English. Now you have to work on output. Now you have to give your output while giving the same lecture, but in your own words, not the same like native speaker have spoken. You have to deliver your thoughts and idea that you have listened, that you have read, but in your own words. So in this case, what happened? Your mind, if you are doing this thing, so your mind will automatically active, because your mind just know that that all the thing that he is going to listen, and it has to convert. Okay, it will have to convert in own words. So in this case, your mind will automatically active. Because what happened in listening or reading time, we generally consume lot of content in English, and at that case we are not active, we just listening, we are just scrolling the mobile. But if I say you need to just give your speech in your own word after listening. So what happened? Your mind will active. Your mind will automatically listen the words, listen the sentences, listen the read the para very actively, very attentively. And after that, you have to deliver your thoughts and idea in your own words. Do this practice. It's a wonderful practice to learn any new skill, to learn any new language. And believe me, this technique will help you a lot, because it helped me a lot. And if it helped me, then this will also help you, believe me. So this is called imitation, but not simple imitation. This is called imitation, but in advanced level. Try to listen audio video only 1 minute. Start your journey with by the 1 minute, and just carry this 1 minute, extend this 1 minute into the 2 or 3 minutes. And just you need to take this methods 5 minutes, and if you will do the same technique minimum 1 month, believe me, you will come and say me that ma'am, I am improving, my English is improving. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.